Hello guys, I just want to show you a quick tip video for how to tighten spokes on GS 850 GS. As you can see, my spokes are not tightened up properly and I wasn't able to find any video how to tighten them up. So how to do it is basically you have to use small hexagon driver to unscrew small hex bit inside the spoke here. It's actually inside the torques. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll put it there. It's there, it's inside. So once you unscrew it, you will be able to tighten the torques and whole spoke. Yeah, it's out. Yeah, so once the hex is out, you just tighten up these torque screw while holding your sprut. You just tighten that up. Then you will put back your hex screw inside, tighten that up, and you are done. You do this for all your spokes and you are done. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, like it and ride safe.